So some things to think about when you're doing this. You're gonna have to take stuff off to put stuff on. It's just the way it goes. So this is the pickup for the speedometer. It screws on here. But there's not enough space. So I gotta take the exhaust off to get that on. That's okay. This is gonna be really close to the exhaust, but I got some aluminum insulation I can put in between it. I think it'll be okay. If not, the alternative is you can buy one of these speed sensor thingamajigs that is electronic and just sends out the pulses. So like for whatever you're running, you're going to need to figure out, we want 8 pulses per second. And then I'm going to build a heat shield for the brake booster. We're going to get this on first. So that means the exhaust comes off. The exhaust is going to have to come off, well, not all of it, but I don't have the right bolts and nuts. I got the right bolt. I need different nuts for this because these are just going to back out and fall off.
dream just the other night. I was dressed up all in black, wearing my finest clothes, riding a brand new Cadillac. 6 strong friends by my side, taking up all my slack. Ain't gonna wake up, no, I ain't coming back. up easy. Trouble no more. That was it. That's the whole song. Two. Cheap cigarettes, even cheaper perfume. Cafe home to some cheap hotel room. Now she don't know where she's going, only knows where she's been. All she needs right now, one true friend. Now she's sitting alone, trying to pass the time. Ends up making love to some cheap bottle of wine. Well, it's 3 a.m., gospel on the TV. She wonders aloud what's gonna happen to me. Well, she don't know where she's going, nobody knows where she's been. All she needs right now is one true friend. Up the next day, wanders till she lost. She knows the price, but she wonders what's the cost. Stays up all night, trapped by her thoughts. Wonders aloud, what the hell have I wrought? Now she don't know where she's going, only know where she's been. All she needs right now is one true friend. She don't know where she's going, no one knows where she's been. All she needs tonight is one true friend. All she needs tonight is one true friend.
So I got my heat shields in place. They look different from underneath. I will show you. So here we are underneath the truck. This is the brake booster. So I got it mounted to the front of the booster where it bolts to the mount. And then the stainless zip ties going up around it. So we got space between the header, we have space between the exhaust pipe and the heat shield, and it's angled down right here so it'll drain if it gets water in it. Massive acceleration will push it out that way. And then same over here, but more what I'm concerned about is that electric piece. So there's an air gap there, but that should keep the heat off of it from the exhaust, I hope. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.